to drop your camera on video? We are at the arcade today. We have Claw Craziness with us.
Hey!
Are you Craziness?
I broke my camera.
Oh, he broke his camera. We got the one and only, the greatest friend that I've ever had, Aaron Hips.
Oh,
shoot. Superman. Oh, you know what? That might be good.
Oh my gosh, you freed him up.
Can I get him?
Freed him up.
Superman is a free man. Oh, that might be good. Come on, flip him up, flip him up.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness gracious, 65. You guys didn't notice that?
I like sharing my balls with Carson.
Cool.
Let's go for this soccer one right here.
Oh, sounds like a plan, Stan.
Lee.
Oh.
Try that. Oh,
wait.
Get in there. Oh, I can get it now.
You can.
Oh, man.
Oh, wait, that looks pretty good,
get
Stan.
In. Oh, it's rigged. It's got a payout rate.
Dang it.
Oh, it's due.
Yes.
Here, should I just win the traffic light? If you get kicked out.
Yes, that's it. Oh.
My God. It's a
car. Yes.
Oh my gosh. There it is.
That's got it.
Yeah. That's amazing.
Ching.
Oh, that's so cool.
Oh, it's already again. What are we getting? Oh, the RC car.
Got it. Traffic light.
I have 90.
Oh, Carson wants it for $10.
Yeah, I'll pay you $10 for that. That's so cool.
All right.
What is going on, guys? We are Toys R Us right now. We're gonna make a video here. We got Chasen. We got Daniel. He looks like a little piece of orange chicken.
Oh, maybe.
Oh,
first
got
try.
it. First try.
Oh,
my!
Oh, man. Dang it.
You can get it now.
I hate it when that happens.
Oh, you got it. 100%.
Come on.
I should have it.
Got him.
Nice.
Nice.
Heck
Called it.
yeah.
I'm the one that called it right there.
Cool. Purple disco bear. Go for the white poodle. Let's try that. Oh, spin in there. Really get in there now. Oh no. Oh my gosh.
Will?
No.
No.
Man. So good. This claw is strong. Let's try that. Oh, maybe.
No, it's stabbed it.
Oh, dude, this claw is so strong. Look at this. Oh,
Dude, this
my
claw's really good.
Poodle. Heck yeah, dude.
I don't know about that Care Bear. Like, it's weird.
You're weird, Daniel.
Everybody's
Don't you ever call a Care Bear weird.
Actually, you
Oh, you know what?
might.
Come on.
Oh,
yes.
you got it.
Finally. Oh, man.
Oh, you got it.
Oh my gosh.
You
Come
clamped on it.
Yes.
Oh, yes, you got it.
Care Bear,
100%.
finally.
Like
Thank
20 bucks
you.
later.
Actually, I want to see if I can. Oh, wow. Look right there. Oh, that's perfect.
I went to the side. It's closing.
Oh, got it. No way.
Oh,
I
you
can
get that.
It's like right there. Oh, come on, close.
Got
Yes,
it.
got it. That's perfect.
Yeah.
What's it from?
It's pretty sick.
Nice. It's Toy Factory.
Oh.
Okay, cool.
Oh.
Maybe.
Oh.
Nice.
Wow. Bro, this claw is kind of strong.
This is really strong. You can just keep strong if it picks this up. If it actually picks this up. Oh my gosh.
That's pretty cool, actually.
Ooh.
Oh.
Maybe.
Oh.
Yes.
Yep.
Nice.
Wow.
Wow, that's so strong. This is amazing.
Dude, that's so strong.
Yeah.
Oh,
Ooh,
oh, it got on the arm of that.
No way.
Oh my. Oh
Dude,
my god.
that
guys.
would have been crazy.
That was insane. We got 3 things today. Oh yeah.
What is that from?
Fraggle Rock.
I have never heard of it.
Gotta catch up on my cartoons. A cat.
Cool.
Nice.
Okay.
Guys, you would never just believe this. We walk into Walmart and look
Look how many
this.
balls are in this shoot.
Balls and balls. Oh, we got 1,
Wow.
2,
That's so funny.
3, 4,
He's probably like, you know, these things are like worthless anyway. Let's just give them away for free.
5, 6, 7 balls in here, guys.
Wow.
I just caught these. I didn't even play. That was
That's so
awesome.
funny.
I doubt someone actually won these.